गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तजेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। I want to say something about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great philosopher, politician, and academic. He served as the Vice President and Second President of India. He was born on September 5, 1888 in Tirutani, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name was Sitama. Dr.